When I have patients come in and they have really teeth that they don't like, if their teeth are really out of alignment and they've had maybe years of ortho, or they know they should consider orthodontic treatment, or they, for whatever reason, they don't want to, then what I do is I offer them what I call restorative orthodontics. And what that is basically just, without going to an orthodontist, I will go ahead and shape their teeth, sometimes prepare their teeth, and I can do crowns or veneers. And so when the patient smiles, it'll appear that they've had orthodontics, just through proper placement restoration, proper preparing of the teeth. And also, again, with a laser, we can make that restorative orthodontics because your gums are quite altered in position. It's almost like a roller coaster effect when you smile, when you have your teeth out of position. But I can level that roller coaster out to a nice, beautiful scalp gum line on our restorative orthodontic cases. So there's a lot of power to consider orthodontics, and you should consider that first. But if orthodontics not in your horizon, then seriously consider restorative orthodontics. And we've got patients that have had it done and they just really enjoy the service. And the fact that they don't have to go through 4 years of braces or 3 years of braces, and the fact that they don't even have to pay twice, so to speak, for the service. Because if they're going to have ortho, and if it can be done, and if they for sure know that they don't want to do orthodontics, then at least they have a second alternative, second option.
I noticed in my 30s that I was not as confident in my smile, and kind of held me back. I found myself not fully smiling, and that just wasn't me. You know, my personality, I'm a very smiling person. So for years I had thought about doing something and just decided I knew I had to have some cosmetic dentistry done, and came into Dr. Heringer and had a consultation with them. And it's like a family here. I mean, everybody was very thorough and very welcoming and really positive, and they really get to know you, and they really care about how you feel and what you want to have done, and they really want to help you out. So dental reconstruction can be a little overwhelming. As I said before, Dr. Heringer was very thorough, and I had many consultations with him and his staff prior to even having the procedure done. So before I even came in, I was probably here for about 3 months, meeting with them and them walking me through different elements of the procedure and just getting me comfortable with it. And it didn't feel overwhelming to me, the way they explained it and the way they made you feel. I felt really comfortable with it, and my husband came in too, and they got to know him as well. Going through the procedure, I was nervous coming in, of course. It was a 2-day procedure initially to have my temporaries put on, and so I was in for 2 full days, but everybody made me feel very comfortable, really relaxed, and the day kind of went really fast actually. So I did my top row of teeth the first day, and that was amazing to see at the end of the day. They showed me my temporaries, and I remember crying. It was just really overwhelming, even though you've been through a lot that day. Just to see the end product was really amazing. And then day 2, we did my lower half of my mouth, and again, at the end of the day, I was able to see the difference there. And I believe it was probably a couple months later, I came in and we had my permanent teeth, my permanent dental work done. And so that took also 2 days, and just really amazing. I don't want to say my life is different, but I feel like a different person. I get so many compliments on my smile now, and so many people notice it, and I always refer them back to Dr. Heringer because he really is simply amazing.